I survived the frustration of ineffective workouts and endless diet plans by embracing a simple 15-minute routine that truly made a difference. I spent weeks experimenting with various exercises until I found the perfect combination that burned belly fat and fit into my busy life. My daily routine was straightforward yet powerful. I started with jumping jacks to get my heart pumping, moved on to mountain climbers to engage my core, and followed with planks to build strength. Each session ended with leg raises and Russian twists to specifically target belly fat. The exercises were challenging at first, but I built resilience and stamina with every workout. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews, plus enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. The results were remarkable. I saved time and effort by sticking to this brief, effective routine, and I got a noticeable reduction in belly fat along with a significant boost in confidence and energy. Tracking my progress with daily photos and keeping consistent with the routine were key to my success, facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues. Strength Training for Seniors offers 45+ easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now, link in the description. If you're ready to transform your body and enhance your health, this 15-minute workout is the perfect starting point. Stay committed, track your progress, and you'll see amazing results. You've got this. Looking to boost your fitness? The Fitness Tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below.